welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me. It's Trinity, my daughter. This is probably the only time you will see her on my YouTube channel whenever we unbox advent calendars. So today you can't even see us with how big this advent calendar is. So we are unboxing the Fabfitfun 2023 advent calendar. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to get into it. Let's go ahead and get started. So Trinity loves unboxing these advent calendars with me, and this is the first of hopefully many advent calendars that I'll be unboxing. Last year, guys, I did about 3 advent calendars, one from each category like lifestyle, beauty, skincare. I will make sure to link all of those playlists in the description box below. I have been doing advent calendars for over 3 years now, and it's something that is so fun and exciting for me. There's so many advent calendars, from kids to pets. I believe Costco even had a pet advent calendar. Basically anything and everything they can think of, we have it in an advent calendar. I also feel like some advent calendars, actually most advent calendars, are worth the splurge because you get more bang for your buck. Pretty much everything that I've ever purchased, I was very happy with. So let's see if this advent calendar from Fabfitfun can compare. I'll put the pricing over here somewhere. I believe this is in the $80 range, but it contains $300 worth of products in here. There's only 12 items, so it's only 12 days of cheer. Here's what the advent calendar looks like. It's probably too big to even show here on the screen, but it looks beautiful. And it says Fabfitfun 2023 here, and on the other side is the holiday theme right there. I love this like gold and navy blue color. It just reminds me of winter and the city. Like, it makes me want to go to New York, and I've never been to New York, guys. So let's open her up, and this is what it looks like. Okay, Trinity, help me carry one side, that side. I'll carry. And there you go. So that is everything. 12 days of Christmas. And the idea is to open one box for every day in the Christmas season. Most advent calendars contain like 24 slots, but for this one, there's only 12. So that is very interesting because there must be amazing products in here for it to be over $300. So are you guys ready for it? Eee! Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. This is hard. We will just set it down so you can see our faces. So, number 1. Whoa. Okay, number 1. What do we have? It's a Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cleansing Foam. It's a cleanser. I've never tried the Laneige cleanser before. You know, they're well known for their lip glosses, and now we have a big giant cleanser. I love the blue packaging, and it's contains hyaluronic acid. It's a cleansing foam. Okay, so that's day number 1. And day number 2, Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. I love an eye mask. You can't go wrong with an eye mask, guys. I'm an eye mask junkie, actually. I put it on cleansed and makeup-free skin. Carefully place eye mask under eyes and let the mask work for brightening, depuffing, and hydrating. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I've had the Grace and Stella one in pink, and now this one is in gold, so this is very exciting. Yep, there's about 6 in here, guys. Love. And you know what? If you guys haven't seen my Ipsy monthly giveaways, definitely check that out because I usually throw some eye masks in the giveaway. So definitely look out for that because I love to share this. I love that they're individually packaged so you can definitely share with everybody like a stocking stuffer or something like that. Day number 3.
Number 3.
This is a true definition of big things come in small packages because this was so tiny, but guys, this is a good one. It's by Milk Makeup. It looks like a travel size though. Yeah, it's in the color Weak. It's a lip and cheek tint. So it's creamy sheer blush and lip color. Shani's really excited for this one. Oh my gosh, very pretty color, even for my skin tone. You want to try it on your face?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, no.
I like Milk Makeup. Look at that. It just gave her a nice flush of color. Okay. How does it feel?
It feels nice.
And let's see how big this gets.
Very big.
Ooh. Yeah. It's pretty big, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm able to roll it back down. Yes. I believe it is vegan and cruelty free. But yeah, that's why I wasn't afraid on using it on my daughter. She does use very little makeup, lip glosses and lip tints. So I think this is going to be so good for her. Day 4.
Whoa, look at this.
What?
It's so pretty.
It's Glamnetics. It's by Glamnetics and they're press-on nails. Ooh, they look like for tiny fingers though. It's a press-on nail in the color Starlight and it's short and round. It has like a gold color French tip. That is so interesting. This looks so pretty. Very pretty.
Whoa!
Guys, they thought of everything in this box. It's by Laura Geller eyeshadow. Party in a Palette, the Social Butterfly full face palette. I love that they chose a face palette because I love those one and done kind of deal where it has your eyeshadow and your blushes, yep, and bronzer. And I was just telling my daughter the other day that some of her makeup has expired, specifically her face palettes, and I think that this could be hers.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
It's very on the nudie side. I love that every part of the face palette is named. So you have the base,
Lid, grease,
blush,
highlighter.
Oh,
I never tried
line, outer corner, inner corner. So those are your eyeshadows. And this really is great for like any skin tone, I feel like, from lighter to dark skin tones.
This is perfect.
I know. Everything's been so good so far. Number 6.
Wow!
Oh my gosh, it just keeps getting better and better.
It smells good.
It's a Spong Gel Lychee Ice Body Buffer. Oh my gosh! They gave us Spong Gel. You guys know, every season I always stock up on Spong Gel. They're great body scrubbers. At first they're a little rough, but they have amazing scents. So many choices. And this time, how appropriate for the season. It is a star-shaped Spong Gel. Love it.
Yeah.
So we are halfway there, guys. If you are still with us, please give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, and we're gonna keep going. Day number 7.
Yes. I think it's like earrings.
It looks very cute and dainty. Oh, it's by Marilyn Schiff. So hopefully this doesn't change in color. It has a star and I like the little kind of dangling hoop earring one. So that is very nice. You know what? I'm gonna try one right now since I have the earrings.
Oh, it looks great on you.
Yeah? Okay, we'll keep it on then. All right, what do you guys think. I'm loving these earrings. Very pretty. I
It's
love.
gorgeous.
Thanks, Trin. Day number 8.
Oh, look at that.
What is it? BYOMA. Bioma. It's a brightening serum. We finally got skincare. I'm pretty sure this is full size. It's a triceramide complex, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. Guys, it's that time of the year. Our skin gets super dry because of the winter, the changing seasons. Hyaluronic acid is the way to go. So I'm so glad they included this, and I can't wait to try this brand. I've never tried this brand before, so I can't wait. Day number 9.
It's so very big.
Oh my god.
It's a headband.
This is, I guess it's hers. This is by Lele Sadoui. Okay, this is a bougie brand, Lele Sadoui. Guys, this is the only thing that maybe I'm least excited for in this box, and yet I feel like it is the most expensive one in the box.
Look at this. It's very pretty. I like the color and I like this.
Yeah, it is very pretty. You know what? It's more for my daughter. I don't really wear headbands. Definitely for the season. She's loving it. Okay, can I try it? Oh, yeah. It looks better on her. All right, Lele Sadoui, $85 for a headband. I disagree. I'm sorry, but I don't know who made these. It's definitely good quality. It looks like it's like velvet material, so it looks very luxurious, but it's a headband. Why does it have to be $80? I feel like, really the headband brought the overall price of this box. But at least my daughter is loving it. So that's all that matters. Okay, day number 10. What is it? A face mask? Oh, no, it's not. It's a Dear Santa original coffee scrub. Ooh, I love how cute and small packaging it is. It's not like overly big. So I cannot wait to try this. Very nice. I love that it's holiday themed. Day number 11. And let me get my trusty.
I'm so excited.
It's something big. It's socks. Guys, I gotta say, I'm least excited about socks when it comes to advent calendars or just gifting in general, because I don't wear socks a lot, but it's nice for going out. Like if it's like regular socks for going out, like for your boots, but like thick socks where you can use at home, I'm not a sock person. Comment down below if you're a sock person. Do you wear socks at home or not?
It's cozy.
It is. It's super cozy. Oh my gosh. Very good quality. It's by Barefoot Dreams. I think you can actually use this like under your boots, especially in super cold weather.
Last one.
Last one. Let's see if it's gonna go out with a bang. Let's see.
I'm gonna open it to number 12.
Okay, do it. Oh my gosh. It's a full-size Amika Soul Food hair mask, and I love hair masks, especially the good kind, because good hair mask, guys, not only does it refreshes and nourishes your hair, but it doesn't weigh your hair down. So I love that. Whew. It smells so good, oh my gosh. Let's see, what's the directions say? Massage through wet hair. Let it permeate for 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse well. I love it. I love that it ended with a hair mask. I love hair masks, guys. The current hair mask that I'm using right now is actually by Way, and I've been loving it. Like any hair mask that I get from any brand from Fabfitfun, I love. Amika is an amazing hair brand. So I am so glad that we got this. So that is everything, guys, in this Fabfitfun advent calendar. How do you like this box, Trinity? Thumbs up, thumbs up. I agree. It's thumbs up. Definitely worth the money, worth the splurge. It's around $80, and you get $300 worth of products, all great high-end quality brands. And so I am so glad that we got this box, and I recommend you guys getting this too. Unfortunately, this is a limited edition box that is only open to Fabfitfun members, so definitely snag yours early. So not bad, guys, for the price. We have a hair mask, Laneige skincare. We got some eye patches, hyaluronic acid. We got some socks. We have a Spong Gel. We have our earrings, the coffee scrub. We have milk makeup. We have the Glamnetics press-on nails. We have the earrings, guys. I'll put it right there. And also the face palette. Oh, and of course, we can't forget the headband on our head. But
Yeah, I've been wearing it the whole time.
amazing, amazing value from Fabfitfun. Very happy with this. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Definitely be on the lookout for more advent calendar unboxings. And I think the next one is K-Beauty. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!